TPEG Analyser. Ever tried to manually decode a TPEG frame? It's anything but easy. First, you need a hex editor to open the TPEG file. Then you'll need to dig through the codes in the hex dump, comparing each one against the official TPEG specification. It's a time-consuming and error-prone process. But there's a faster and more secure way. TPEG Analyser. Analyzing TPEG streams. Each TPEG stream is displayed in a separate window. The stream view presents core data for that stream, including its service ID, the service name, and description. A visual representation of the stream is then presented below, with applications shown in different colors, such as with tech in pink. Whenever TPEG Analyser detects an error, it puts a red boundary around the entire frame. The history view shows the same frames within the buffer. The number of errors is listed in the second column, making it easy to see if there are problems in the stream. Recording and replaying TPEG streams. Recording TPEG data off a stream is as easy as pressing the Start Recording button and entering a file name. Any frames received after that point are written to a file. Replaying the data is as simple as selecting the file and entering your preferred bitrate. The stream is then replayed as if it were being received live. Working with multiple TPEG streams. You can also analyze several streams at the same time. For example, by opening one recorded file and replaying it at the desired speed, you can compare the incoming streams as desired to those being received live or being replayed. Every frame of the stream can be analyzed in detail simply by clicking on it and selecting the Details button. The frame is then decoded and displayed in the frame view, consisting of a hex dump, the ASCII representation, and the tree view of the data structure. If you click on a value in the tree view, the corresponding values in the hex dump are highlighted. If you click in the hex dump, the corresponding value in the tree view is highlighted. This makes it quite easy to browse through the whole stream. The window at the bottom left also displays data types and any supplemental information for the selected values. Analyzing frames with errors. Individual frames that have errors can be analyzed in the frame view. The error list is presented in this area at the bottom right. When you click on an error, the relevant section is highlighted within the tree view, as well as in the hex dump. Here, for example, it is easy to see that the problem is a missing language code. The length value of the text is actually being interpreted as the language code, in this case Divehi, a language from the Maldives, instead of German. Maps. The map view is used to access received TPEG services and their messages. The identified location referencing methods, whether valid or corrupt, are displayed for each message. When a TPEG service or individual message is selected, it is then decoded and the selected location referencing data is shown on the map. It is then possible to access the location referencing data and data identified as corrupt. The TPEG Analyser shows messages on the map, enables live reception, allows analysis of corrupted data, replays recorded data, saves time, saves money. The TPEG Analyser is the effective solution for analyzing and controlling TPEG services, visualizing and recording TPEG services, comparing TPEG services, quality assurance and debugging, reference information for the development of devices and terminals, testing TPEG encoders. We can TPEG.com